Yeah, they beat him. He had fractures and bruises on his body. Oh, shit! Okay, I'm sorry. This is what I was waiting for. Hold on, I need to see her walk up again. I've never been so scared before in my life, bitch. Here she comes.
Tell the jury how you killed this baby.
Oh my God!
It was an accident.
Not your excuse. How did you murder this baby? How did you cause these injuries?
I have sit here and admitted.
Answer the question, please. How did you cause these injuries?
Answer the question,
It
Jessica.
was an accident.
Anybody watching this shit that feels bad for Jessica Girls right now, her child was found in a well with broken ribs and multiple skull fractures, 2 of which the autopsy revealed, what am I, a f***ing article? The autopsy revealed that they were done at different times because they were at different points of healing.
How did you cause that 1-inch skull fracture?
It had to be from dropping him.
How did you cause that complete upper arm fracture?
Upper arm fracture too?
Nothing that I ever did was intentional.
Bitch, please.
I'm not asking for your excuse. How did you cause that complete upper arm fracture? Tell the jury.
I have to live with this for the rest of my
Bitch,
life.
that's not what we...
You have devoured my family.
Ms. Groves, you answer the questions that are asked of you.
I can't!
Understand?
I've admitted to my guilt.
How did you
And I have to live without my children. I'm done talking to you.
You are talking to me because you're sitting on the witness stand. Tell them how you caused that injury.
Oh my God!
Judge, I ask you to instruct the witness to answer the question.
Ms. Groves, by testifying, you're subject to
Bitch,
cross-examination.
he's scared because he knows he's next. She about to cross-examine him too. What is this attorney's name? Can somebody find out, please? I need to just lay on the floor for a minute. Oh my God, can we just go back 30 seconds? This brings me so much joy. Get her.
The rest of my
Answer the question.
life.
How did you cause that?
You have devoured my family.
Ms. Groves,
Yeah, who says she's in the WWE? I would believe it. She could show up in that suit and beat my ass.
I've admitted to my guilt.
How did you
And I
cause-
have to
How
live
did-
without
tell
my
the jury
children.
how you caused that
I'm done talking to you.
You are talking to me because you're sitting on the witness stand. Tell them how you caused that injury.
until it's finally
I
submitted
can't
to
believe
you.
she tried to tell Julie on the stand, I'm done talking to you. Bitch, that was not gonna fly. She should have.
Groves, you should remain seated where you're
And
at.
also, did Julie, was she calmer at the beginning of this?
Excuse at this time.
I didn't think that dream catcher had injuries to that extent.
So that accident didn't cause his death.
No,
Tell him what accident did.
I don't remember.
I don't understand. That must be one big ass dream catcher, and it. I don't understand. Did she injure a baby
Why
with a
didn't
dream
you tell
catcher?
Jody
Yeah, I don't-
Kunkel? Why didn't you tell your sister Stacy Hall what the truth was? You told her this had nothing to do with drugs. I swear. Nothing, Stacy. I would tell you.
Me and Stacy did not grow up together.
Don't ask me questions.
Me and her's
Answer the
not.
He asked for, thank you, Riku. He asked for an explanation, and he stated that his father had told him that Dylan's arm, the child, had been waving around and had gotten caught in a dream catcher, which then struck his head. She's literally saying the object, a dream catcher, caused the skull fractures on her child.
I can't tell you something that I can't remember. and I
Who
would
wrapped this
never
baby's
hurt-
body in 6 layers of plastic and duct tape? Who did that?
I did.
You did. Daniel Groves didn't help you with that?
Yes, he did.
Tell him what happened. Tell him about that
Oh my God.
concealment.
Hi, Harry. How was your stream tonight?
I wanted to be able to go back and get my baby.
Ma'am, I'm
No,
not
you
asking for
didn't,
comments.
Jessica.
Tell the jury
No,
about
you
the day
didn't.
You wrapped that baby in plastic. Tell them what happened.
I don't quite remember it all.
You don't remember that
the fuck up. You know, the other thing about this is that Julie just mentioned that on the 24th, Jessica actually wrote on her calendar, worst day ever, because I think that was the day that David was picked up by the police or whatever, taken away. So it's really interesting to me that her son was abused to death only 4 days later when she was in a lot of emotional pain and starting to run out of drugs. Sounds like somebody decided to take it out on their child and then fucking lie about it. And she has no history of taking him to the hospital after any of his injuries. Struck, her face is pretty dry. For how long she's been crying, I do see some tears, but for how much crying has been going on, I'd expect her face to be like soaked in tears, right? Oh boy, all right. I almost want to skip through the defense because, oh shit. Why is she back? She back.
59, Your Honor. You just told this jury that your husband didn't know about these injuries.
No, he did not.
Oh shit, get her.
But your 15-year-old son did?
No, he did not.
So your 15-year-old son lied in here yesterday when he said this whole baby's head where his hair would be was black and bruised?
They cross-examine
Look at the jury. Are you calling your son a liar?
No, he's not.
Your Honor, I would object. I do not believe that was the characterization or the nature of the testimony.
Oh my god, do you guys think he's gonna overrule it? So far, the judge loves Julie, baby. Hey, you know who else loves Julie? We do. Okay, will he overrule? I think he's going to. He did! I told you my man loves Julie.
Saw this baby's head swollen and black, but your husband didn't. Look at the jury. Explain that to them.
I can't explain that to him because
Because what?
I don't know.
Closing statements.
May it please the court, opposing counsel, ladies and gentlemen.
One
of
in the
jury.
chat for guilty, 2 in the chat for innocent.
Good afternoon. At this point, I have good news and I have bad news.
Yes, bitch.
The good news is that your service here as jurors is almost complete.
Oh my god.
The bad news is that the most difficult part of your service is about to begin, and that is your deliberations. I'm going to go through some of these individually. Purposely, I submit to you, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, that multiple rib fractures are purposeful injuries.
Yeah, true.
Those aren't accidental.
True. True.
I submit to you that multiple skull fractures that happened at different times,
I told y'all the
and
healing
even at a
times are
time different than
They
the
can
rib
tell that
fractures,
shit. Oh my
are
god.
purposeful.
The rib fractures, the shoulder fracture, and the 2 skull fractures were all done at 2 separate times. Holy shit. I really want to.
I submit to you that the multiple complete arm fractures and leg fractures are purposeful.
Leg.
Caused the death of baby Dylan. Can I say what mechanism was used to cause baby Dylan's injuries? No. And you heard defendant Jessica Gross, she can't remember what happened. I submit to you, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you are the finders of fact. You go back to the jury room and you determine what happened here. What you heard from the witness stand, and you'll be instructed by His Honor that you are only to consider evidence that came from that witness stand in the form of testimony or exhibits. Did failure to seek emergency medical care after multiple serious injuries over a period of time cause baby Dylan's death? She can't remember. And he did nothing.
Oh my god, that point. That is a fucking wrestler's point. That's some WWE shit.
And the last element is that baby Dylan, was under 13 years of age at the time of this offense. Well, there's no dispute, because today he would be 1 if we weren't here discussing his aggravated
Lex,
murder.
thanks for the hose.
Daniel Groves doesn't see anything wrong with bashing a baby in the head 4 times.
Oh my god. Oh,
Or picking it up and squeezing it and shaking it. You can do that to a baby? He watched this happen to his own son, baby Dylan. He says by his own wife. The man, the Children's Services, placed this baby's safety.
Start clapping again. We love that shit. Oh my God, she
Again,
really did.
count 2 murder,
Oh my
knowingly.
God. Julie said, look, y'all. Julie said, I'm eating tonight.
Any other access
Look at the hand.
to this baby but for defendant Daniel Groves. Again,
Dude, I can't get over this shit. I think this is just so fucking beautifully done. I feel like I would hold every prosecutor talking to the jury to this standard now, because the way she makes you feel is like, if you don't vote guilty, then you're just as bad as them. Like, that's how I feel when she's talking about this. And that's how you get a fucking guilty verdict. It's so well done.
and it resulted in serious physical harm. Actually, death. So more than serious physical harm.
Ooh, she's looking at him.
Did either of these defendants
Oh
tell
my
you that they
God!
made one?
I'm sorry. Did anyone else feel like she was about to curse? Hold on. We need to go back.
Did either of these defendants tell you that they made one emergency phone call to help that baby?
Yes.
No. You were told at the beginning of this, Jessica Groves is going to take responsibility. Did she take responsibility when she spoke with Detective Conkle?
Nope. Not when she
Did she
talked to
take
Julie
responsibility when she spoke to her sister? Did she take responsibility in here this morning when she spoke to you?
Oh, shit. That's a Karen.
She can't remember what happened, but she does remember it was an accident.
Oh my God.
Is that taking responsibility for these injuries?
You know what would be just wonderful? I would love, because Julie acts like she's pissed because she's probably a mom too. I would love to see Julie prosecute Lori Vallow, the Doomsday Couple case. Oh my God, that would just... Lori trying to act like she don't know shit. Kids missing for 4 months.
You were told that Daniel Groves panicked and dumped baby Dylan in a 30-foot well. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, does this look like panic to you? Does it?
Oh my God.
A chain, 3 padlocks, 12 zip ties, 8 wire ties, 18 rocks, 6 layers of plastic,
Oh my
and
God.
duct tape.
Oh, that's what she picked up.
Does this look like panic?
Oh my God.
I submit to you it looks like extreme planning. They want you to believe they're not complicit to their baby's murder.
Bitch, I'm gonna cry.
But this is what they chose for a coffin and his burial? This?
Sir, thanks for kissing.
And then they dumped him in a well.
Oh my God, she's something sad about that. Oh, she.
Proof beyond a reasonable doubt. Guilty on each and every count.
God damn.
Each one of them.
God damn, Julie.